I got the cam on. This is awesome.
What's up, YouTube? No music for you guys this time. Y'all stuck with us. Enjoy the engines, enjoy the wind, enjoy the ride. Peace and love.
Peace and love. We got a biker behind us too, on a Harley, and bicyclists on the side.
I just hit that bicyclist.
Yeah, right. Sometimes we race them in our heads. They don't even know.
They never have a chance.
Oh yeah. More bikers. Yeah. Biker Nation.
Biker Nation.
Arr.
Viper Nation. Mustang Sally.
Mustang Sally, love that girl.
Nibbler Nation. Got it with the na.
When we were walking the dogs, and it felt like we were walking riding the horses, kind of with the leashes.
Oh, yep. We had to tuck them in the right direction.
Oh yeah, it opened up. Hubby with the honk in the back for protection.
Extra heads up for these hoes.
Bikers.
Lots of bikers.
Ooh, look at these scooter people.
They had like gas-powered looking scooters.
Yeah, right, babe? That's so fun.
I'm glad to see them wearing helmets.
And gear too in their way. I love that.
I see bikers on our right too. So coming out of the
Out of there, right?
Yeah, the Red Rock exit.
Oh shit, watch out, babe.
Great catch, honey. Great catch, honey.
Uh-huh.
Good braking experience.
Hell yeah. We did great.
Just coming off the gas for me already slows me like 10, 20 miles an hour. And then just a little bit, and then the 2-2 brakes. It's like
Look, the scooter one, babe.
My God, that view is always to die
So
for. Like, not
beautiful.
die for, but you know, like the phrase. It's just okay. I'll say the word breathtaking. That view is breathtaking.
Gorgeous.
Oh, braking. Breakers ahead.
He's like pissed at them too. He's so pissed at them. Is this Sonata that's braking the whole time to everybody? They keep braking the whole time they drive.
Confused by their actions.
Me too.
We can cut them off in a bit.
Yeah, when I get that open, I'ma go.
That open
Yeah.
road, maybe.
Uh-huh.
But honestly, I'm okay even if we can.
Okay.
We just give them the space. There we go.
Oh, there we go. Fuck yeah.
Get the odds of that. Excellent.
Yay! Yay! Yeah, baby.
Yeah, yeah. Got them open roads.
Open
Yeah,
roads. Open roads. Open roads. Open roads. Ha ha ha.
Beautiful.
It's so beautiful, hon. To Pahrump?
Most likely, honestly.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
I was like thinking that since we got down here.
Pants are gonna be a little bit cold.
At that mountain part,
Yep.
no issue.
But you go through it every day, every time we go there.
Yep.
So
We do great there.
you're used to it.
That Calico area got me used to the cold too a little now. Oh yeah. Yeah, me and Ovi camped over here one time.
Free real estate.
We took the bikes out here and then we just parked there and just literally camped. Oh, I see a kid with a dirt bike.
Look at that.
Look at that. What's up? What's up? That's cute. That was so cute. Oh yeah, sexy.
Oh, we on.
Oh yeah,
We on.
we on. That was so cute, babe.
That was adorable. Did you see all those dirt bikes? They had like 2 or 3.
Yeah, they had a couple. I saw one on the ground, one in the truck, and then like maybe one more somewhere else
Behind
too.
the truck, I think.
Yeah,
So I think there were 3.
that was
Maybe
dope.
tripping.
And I saw a kid for sure. He was like walking to one
Yeah,
of
but
them.
he had gear too.
That was so cool. That's a sign. And I sat on the DR earlier too. I missed the DR too.
I remember.
It's nimble. But man, do I love the KLR and the Vulcan for the power. The DR 50.
Like 45 is not bad. It's still doable, but you know, after a while, you want that power, you know.
And when everyone else is going 65 plus though, you just feel like, oh, I'm back here.
But it's a safe speed though.
It is. It's a great
You know, because it
speed.
is a lighter bike, more prone to wobbles.
It is.
So you're more safe going slow than going fast.
It's
on
so
on
true.
the DR. It's true. you know?
It is. So I do appreciate that.
Very light bike with also like the knobbiest tires. You can put on a street bike, you know?
Super knobby. But man, does it grip in the dirt and stuff, you know?
Grip's amazing.
There's still snow on the tips.
Beautiful. I see it.
Oh yeah. We got a nice straight.
Thanks for riding with me, hon.
Thanks for riding with me. I know you've been wanting to too. I've been wanting to too, but I was so tired. Even yesterday I wanted to too. But then I was like, I should just rest and then ride like a good amount today. Because I thought we would ride to like far, you know, too. I was mentally preparing myself, you know.
There's like a little bit of a beauty of riding to like the close and easy places, you know.
Yeah, it's easy to come back and stuff. It's so
Yeah.
easy to come back.
And we don't have to take the highway with the big cars too much. Like
Yeah.
it's okay even if we did.
Yeah.
But still, no need.
It feels nice, right? And we saw so many bikers still.
Yes, we did.
All over.
On the overlook there was a ton too.
Yeah.
Hey, even this area is packed.
Really? Late night trail?
Packed too.
Sexy.
You look at the road, I'm just staring.
Don't get target fixated.
I won't.
You can see this view when we are at home too. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. My husband looks sexy on his bike and off his bike. Sexy. Woo! That's my husband. Oh yeah. I got some nice angle.
Got the angles.
I got them angles.
Biker community.
You saw my pose too though? Oh, someone's bumper came off.
Yeah. Their bumper.
I think it's theirs, right? Aw. I could eat with you. I can do anything.
I could eat, honestly.
You're hungry, right? You want to go eat something around
You
here?
see like a restaurant that looks good, like American style or something? That would be great with me.
Okay. Let's see where this car goes.
Carl's Jr., but I've never had Carl's Jr.
It's like fast food.
Okay, let's
Let's see. Popo ahead.
Where? Oh, I see it. Good catch, honey. You saw the lights. You're a good po-po catcher. There's a food area on the left, but I don't know if I want to go there at this moment with the cops.
Should we keep going
So
and
let's just
looking?
keep going. Well, after the stop sign, I guess.
Car accident. Ooh-wee.
Airbag's inflated.
Damn. Safe riding, everybody. And driving. Let's see what
There's this BK on the right coming up.
Oh, there's one coming?
There's a BK coming up soon. Come through.
Let's go.